Clouds are a natural occurrence that we have learned about. Clouds form when water vapor is present in the atmosphere as well as dust particles. We can show this by following 1/3 of a 2-liter plastic soda bottle with warm water. Seal the cap to make the fourth ingredient, water vapor. Next, open the bottle. Drop a lighted match in the opening and quickly put the cap back on to create smoke. These are the particles. Finally, squeeze the bottle hard and release. Carefully watch the artificial clouds appearing as the air pressure drops, the third cloud ingredient. Now, for those who want to do this project, you must be with an adult 18 years or older. So, okay, we did that in case you couldn't see it. So, that's why you go. Okay, watch it. See the match? Now, let's see. Watch. Bam! Neat. See the smoke?
The artificial clouds.
So you can see the clouds. Pretty neat.
And that's it.
Bye.